Hi there, this is creating your PACE eFolio using Google Sites, video number 1, and I'm Mrs. Prestella. So to begin creating our site, we're going to come up into our search bar and type http://sites.google.com/new. Another option is if you're inside any of the Google products, you can come here to your Google Apps, click, and find Sites, and then the new Google Sites. So once you get onto this page, and yours isn't going to have all of these sites, but you're going to see a plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Go ahead and click that. And just as simply as that, you've created your new site. The next step is to name your site. So we're going to go to Enter Site Name. And for this project, we're going to be naming this your first name, your last name, PACE, all in caps, but no periods here. And then we're going to do eFolio, lowercase e, uppercase F. When you click out of there, it will transfer that title into the site title. Then we're going to click down here into this text box. I'm going to type that same title. This time we'll use the periods since PACE is an acronym. Still lowercase e, uppercase F. If your name is too long and your whole name does not fit on one line, you can use these blue dots to extend your text box so that your full first name fits on the top and PACE eFolio sits on the bottom. Now, as we're going through the creation of this Google site eFolio, we're going to be using 3 menus on the editing or back end of our site. How do we know we're on the editing end of our site? Well, because we see these 3 menus, and also if you look up in your URL right here, you can see the word edit at the end of our web address. 3 menus we're going to be referring to in these videos are Insert, Pages, and Themes. So the last thing we're going to do on this video is set a basic theme. So referring to the theme menu, you're going to see a couple of different options here. I like to use simple so that you can modify it and customize it, bringing in your own pictures later, but you can use any of these that you're comfortable with. So once you select a theme, you have 2 more options. One is the color that you'd like to use, and if you're not satisfied with any of these colors, you can click on the painter's bucket and you can move this to whatever color you think you might like. And then the other thing you're going to set is font style, and there's usually going to be 3 choices. In the case of the simple theme, it's light, classic, or heavy. I'm going to stick with classic for now. And that is creating your site and setting your theme.